大家好，今天要为大家介绍的是每年5月的最后一个星期一，美国的阵亡将士纪念日，就是 Memorial Day， 它的晚会。在晚会的最后，会有参谋联席会议主席以及各军种的司令与与会的观众一起演唱自己所属的军歌。
We would like to salute all the men and women who have served in every branch of our armed services, beginning with the National Guard Bureau.
所以近年的晚会都是由他担任主持人。接着请在场的观众
As the orchestra and chorus perform the Armed Forces Medley, we invite those of you in the audience who have served or who are currently serving to please stand and join in as your service song is presented.
首先是海岸防卫队。接下来是美国空军。接下来是美国海军。
The United States Navy.
接下来是海军陆战队。
United States Marines.
接
I am privileged to introduce Vice Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, Admiral James A. Winnefeld, Jr. And I am honored to introduce the distinguished Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, General Martin Dempsey.
There is nothing more profoundly American than Memorial Day. Throughout our history, American sons and daughters have willingly laid down their lives to strengthen our nation and preserve its freedoms. Indeed, the greatest of this republic is founded in their selfless service. They rest quietly now beneath chalk-white headstones here at home, or in battlefield graves where they fell, or in the depths of the oceans where they made the ultimate sacrifice. This Memorial Day, let us take the time to come together as a nation and not only pay tribute to those who have fallen, but to pay tribute to the idea that inspired them, to the idea that there is something greater than oneself, to the idea that is America. One mother of a fallen Marine told me that she embraces this day. Grief shared is grief more easily borne, she said. There's comfort in the bonds that unite us with the past. We can also find comfort in the bonds that make us Americans. Today, as we honor the sacrifice of those souls who fought and died for us, let us affirm their legacy by pressing on to secure the blessings of liberty for which they paid so dearly. Let us stand strong by the men and women who defend that idea that America is bigger than any one of us, and let us stand strong by their families. We ask all service members and their families here and at home to please stand and accept our deepest gratitude for their service. On behalf of the Joint Chiefs of Staff and a grateful nation, we say thank you.